Hello everyone. I welcome you all on my YouTube channel. Actually, I am not getting time. That is why I am unable to make videos. And this is my second video for faculty member joining in Byju's. And as I have been given the training of faculty member in Byju's only, so I am not getting the time to make videos. But as I promised you to make video on how to make demo video for getting selection, so today I am going to tell you about that. While making your demo, you just have to notice some things which is mandatory. The first thing which you have to notice is the time limit, that it should not cross the 7 minutes. And the second thing you should notice, or you should be like focusing on the main it is the main part. You should be confident, because if you are not confident, you will never be confident in front of students, because they will be having a lot of problems, they will be having a lot of doubts, and if you are not confident enough, you will not be able to answer. So the main thing which is checked in the demo video submission by the team members of Byju's is this, that what are your camera facing skills and what is your confidence level. Are you smart enough? Are you confident enough to teach or not? Okay, the demo should be in English, you know that, and there should be no pauses while speaking. You should use fluent English, and you should be conscious that whatever you are teaching, that's not wrong. Or you cannot take any topic like environmental pollution or anything like that. You have to take the topics regarding from class 4th to class 10th from their subject books. If you are teaching science, then you can have anything, physics, chemistry, bio. While filling the form, you will have an option to check on that what do you want to teach. As I have chosen biology, you can choose any other subject like physics, chemistry, bio and maths. Okay, we do not have any other subject right now, English and SST and all, as in BTCs. Okay, so you can go for biology, chemistry or physics. If you opt any one of these, then you have to take the topics from any one of these subject. Okay, you cannot take, like if you have opted biology, you cannot take environmental pollution, water pollution, noise pollution and all such like global warming and all such a presentation topic you cannot take. You have to take the topics like cell, okay, reproduction, circulatory system, the topics which is present in the books. Okay, and which is like logically right to students, which is going to explain something to students. Okay, so I hope you are liking my videos, and just keep supporting. Or if you have any query regarding the any step, okay, any step involved in the process of joining faculty member as a Byju's, if you have any query, you can ask me. You can comment in the comment section, and as soon as I will be getting the time, I will be able to answer all the questions. Okay, all the very best.